Hi, welcome to Lucy Fantasy channel. I will do a funny pins. For the first, I do a mustache pin. We'll draw a mustache, or you can print it to the paper, but I'm drawing it on the pretty nice color paper and cutting it all around so it will be out of the circle. And I also giving there some details of green, and I think it will look so much better with it, so I'm doing it. And tell me in comments if this is better than before. And simply you will glue the pin on a mustache. And I also make this one, the mustache on a stick. I draw these faces. They're like emotions, and they aren't same. There are many colors, and simply you just glue the pin on it, and that's all. It's really easy, and it looks really good. Bye!